Jesus Christ. You guys are incredible. Oh, wow. Wow.
DJ. Yep. I got most of it cut. Can't see. No, get your hands out of there. Back off. Actually, go over there and hang on to that because she's not doing fuck all. Hang on to this.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
No, you're not.
I'm sorry, this is just...
Where's my knife?
It's right in the neck there.
Give it to Tara.